Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you're curious if, for example, your crush is visiting your profile or your friend or a relative, any of these things, I will help you find out. But first, let's hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. So I'm gonna hop onto Instagram and then I'm going to my profile, as you can see. And as you can see, I'm on a professional account because beneath my account name, Dreamy Shots, it says photographer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit the three horizontal buttons over here. And I'm going to choose for settings over here. After that, I'm going to go for account, that's over here. And I'm going to scroll down below. And if it says switch to professional account, you need to click on that. And now what you want to do is you're going back on your home button and you can go and create a story with the plus icon. And I'm choosing a random pic. And what I can do now is I'm gonna hit the close friends button down below. And as you can see, I can choose to which I'm gonna show this picture. So this means that not everyone can see my picture or my story, only the people who I clicked on. So if this person is watching my story, this way I know they're viewing my profile. I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions, feel free and ask down below. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you're curious if, for example, your crush is visiting your profile or your friend or a relative, any of these things, I will help you find out. But first, let's hit